That's my favorite act of the night. What the hell? Fit check muna tayo. Animal free, by the way. Animal free. So, cruelty free sila sa animals dito. Nakalimutan ko na nga yung salamin ko. So, malabo na ang lahat sa akin. Nasa likod ko si Charlie, as you can see. Yung bumotak ng lobo niya. May isa pa! Hi guys! So, we are going today sa Euro Extreme Circus, which na-late na to actually, pinamove ko na to. Kasi supposedly last week pa kami pupunta, kaso nagka-flu ako last week. So, buti na lang pumayag yung circus na i-move namin today. Yung schedule namin for free. And we are going there. It's going to be held sa Alabang West and 8 PM pa naman yung show. Pero pupunta na kami doon kasi hindi pa namin sure yung lugar doon. Hindi namin alam yung parking or whatsoever. So, mas okay nang maaga. It's currently around 4 PM. So, almost 2 hours yung biyahe. So, I think ito na yung right time. Or sakto na tong time na to para bumiyahe papunta doon. But I will take you guys dito sa first ever circus experience ko. Favorite ko kasi talaga yung The Greatest Showman na movie. So, the moment na nalaman ko na may circus dito sa Philippines, I had to go. So, I'll take you guys with me. Excuse me po, saan po yung parking para sa circus? Sa kabila po. Saan po kami nadaan? Balabas.
Sa may tapat ko na, Shell.
Okay, sa tapat po na po. Okay po. Thank you po. I'm seeing it already. You know, my tent doon. There. That's the circus. I am so excited for this. Maaga pa. It's 5:30 pa lang. 8 yung show. 7 mag-open. So, hanap muna kami ng kainan. Daw sabi nila, bawal magdala ng food inside, pero may bilihan ng food inside. Where's the parking area? Baka dito lang yung parking sa gilid lang. Dito nga lang sa gilid yung parking, oh. Gilid-gilid lang. Saan po yung parking para sa circus?
Dito na lang po. Gilid lang po.
Sige po. Sa likod na lang po neto. Sige po.
Sarapan din.
Okay. Fit check muna tayo. Videohan mo. Picture. So yun guys, ang aga namin dito and confirm na natin kung kung okay na ba tong QR na to or may physical ticket ba. Mas okay sa akin may physical ticket para may remembrance ako, but let's go. Ang dumi pala ng sasakyan. Let's go to circus. Mag-video ka na. It's there. There's the tent as you can see. So nice. Sige. Wow, may clips. Videohan daw natin siya, guys. May lumalabas ng car. Stigmatized me and opened my eyes. Redwood tree, it ain't hard to see. This is without the wide angle lens and this is with. I will be putting it there. Mas kita ninyo ang surroundings. This is the circus, guys. Yan. And we'll be going there now. Alam nyo, sobrang fan kasi talaga ako ng Greatest Showman. Nabanggit ko naman na kanina, but I'm so excited for this kasi it's one of my favorite movies of all time. So, watching a circus live, and it's animal free, by the way, animal free. So, cruelty free sila sa animals dito. I love it. Parang wala pa sila masyadong food. I love this so much. Says there, ticket booth. Ito yung prices nila. And we got the gold. And 8 p.m. Ask mo nga kung okay na yung ano. Kung may QR na tayo, kung okay na pa yun.
May pipili pa po ba? Diretso na po yan, sir.
Diretso na to.
Thank you. So, diretso na pala pag may QR. Just to be sure. Oh, this is what it looks like, guys. Extreme circles. It's 5:44 and 7 pa pwede pumasok. So,
Pwede tayong
kain muna tayo. Oh, may Jollibee dito. Alam nyo guys, ang tagal ko nang di nakakain ng Jollibee sa labas. Laging sa bahay lang, laging delivery lang. They also have Army Navy. We're going to Jollibee muna to eat. Kasi 8 o'clock pa yung start, 7 p.m. yung open, and then 2-hour show siya. So, let's say, mga 10 to 10:30 na kami makakalabas doon. Kailangan ko kumain muna. Magugutom ako. The fact that nakalimutan ko na nga yung salamin ko, so malabo na ang lahat sa akin. Paano pa pag gutom pa ako, di ba? See? Ay! 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 Alabang West. Here. Ganda naman ng langit dito. Parang kakaiba. Parang hindi to katulad ng langit sa Marikina, ha? Parang iba ang lugar dito. There's something different about it. Ay, baka mawala na naman yung... May McDo din, though. Army Navy. Jollibee. Jollibee na lang. Ito kasi pinakamalapit. Tumawid lang kami, hinihingal na ako. So, order siya. So, we are here at Jollibee. Nasa likod ko si Jollibee, as you can see. Sa labas kami pumesto kasi mas aesthetic dito and malamig naman. So nice here. I wanna take photos. No, I love it. I love it so much. Giving, Ngayon lang ako ulit kumain sa Jollibee sa, like, fast food sa naman. Kasi lagi na lang namin siyang pinapa-deliver sa bahay. So, it's so nice.
May spread lang namin. Taan ako lang.
Ang ganda. Kaso blurred. Mas maganda yung angle ko kanina. At ganun, pa. Sobrang,
Okay na?
sobrang storyable.
Okay.
Maloy.
Oo nga.
I ordered spaghetti, Jolly hot dog, and regular fries. And water. Ha? Service water daw?
Wala naman sila mineral dito.
Hindi pwede na yan. Mag-edit muna ako ng video ko, ng fit check ko.
Sariling ring light.
Ganda ko nga, no? May color palette talaga ako na maganda ako. Pag ganito yung suot ko ng shade ng pink, bagay sa akin. Pero kapag yung parang purplish pink na siya, parang hindi siya bagay sa akin. Ano kasi ako, guys? Soft,
Soft gray.
soft summer ng palette ko. Ay! Warm summer, warm spring. Tama ba? Basta bagay sa akin yung mga pastel colors. Pastel colors, hindi ganun kabagay sa akin ang black. pero it can work. Pero hindi siya yung best color ko. White, hindi masyadong nag-work sa akin ng white unless it's like yung parang pastel yellow na almost white na siya. Ganun. Pero yung cool white, hindi siya nag-work sa akin. We're done eating na. Naghihintay lang kami na mag 6:45 before kami bumalik sa Circus kasi it's currently 6:36 pa lang. 7 yung opening. So, maghihintay lang kami. Or gusto mo pumunta na tayo doon?
Senda mo nga ng pictures ng Hot Wheels. Yung hinahanap niya.
Anong hinahanap?
Roger Dodger tsaka Ford Mustang.
Sino yun? Ito?
Kanin tayo.
Nakagat yata ako ng langgam kanina. Ay, shucks. Gusto ko picturean yung Circus from here, ah. Doon na lang. So, pabalik na kami ng Circus kasi narinig ko. As a chismosa kasi ako. May pila daw. So, yun. Mukhang wala naman. Pero mas okay na rin na pabalik na kami. 6:30, ano na rin naman. 6:37 na rin naman. So, let's go. So, inanap ko lang yung ticket. Let's go. Evening po. Here na.
Balik ko naman, ma.
Ay, shit. Open mo. Thank you po. Oh, my food. Na nakikita kong popcorn. As a popcorn lover, pwede ba dalhin yung popcorn sa loob? Sige. We'll be buying...
Saan ka na bumili po?
Malapit na. Baka marami lang tao. Picture tayo. I'll take a photo also of it. Guys, we're here. So, waiting area muna daw. Tayo. I like it. It's giving circus vibes talaga. Like, hindi siya modern kind of hindi siya yung modern vibes. It's giving circus vibes talaga. And I so love it. Picture tayo.
Sige, picture mo na.
We are here sa waiting area na and tayo lang namin mag-opening. Hindi ko rin alam kung anong seat namin, but so cute. So nice. Wow! The photo of this is so nice. I have 3 lenses na dala today para ma-maximize ko ang show na ito. Palit muna tayo ng kit lens. Ang tibay ng loob ko mag-ganto-ganto dito. It's a literal tent. So, it's giving circus vibes talaga. At first, akala ko lang to. Like, yung nasa loob lang siya ng parang mall. Tapos, may parang, alam mo yun, hindi siya naka-tent. But, naka-tent siya. It's so nice.
Welcome po. Magpapapasok na tayo. Sige po. May group lang po para hindi mahirapan na naman. Makita niyo lang po yung armband. Wala lang po flash mamaya. Pwede po mag-photo. Pwede po.
B8, B9. Thank you. Wow. Food natin. Ikaw mauna ka doon kasi can you, the seat? Pakwanda din yung phone ko sa, Wow, guys! We're so Lapit lang namin. This is what it looks like inside. Hindi pa rin nag-start yung show. But I think malapit na mag-start kasi 8 o'clock na.
But please no flash photography during the show. Short videos are allowed, but live streaming of the circus acts is strictly prohibited.
Let the fiesta begin as we welcome on the wheel of suspense the crazy, the amazing Latin Brothers!
So, tapos na yung first half and merong 15-minute break. Pwede ka kumuha ng mga snacks or something. But, how's the first half?
Good, ganda. Nakakagulat yung ibang mga
Stand.
tapos ipan nung ng
Clown. Yung pumutok ng lobo niya.
Riding at breakneck speed are fearless Globos de Muertos!
Oh my God. What the hell?
Please welcome Alejandro!
Hala! May isa pa! What the hell? Tatlo! Oh my God! Ang ganda! That was the best act of the night. That's my favorite act of the night. What the hell?
And Salamat, thank you for being such a great audience! Circus Days!
Cause I'm happy come along if you feel like done. like watching performances, but you know, there's just something about the circus. Pero gusto ko manood ng The Greatest Showman later because of this. We're going home now. It's past 10. 10:20. And pwede daw magpa-picture, pero I think we're going home na. So happy. Hi. Grabe. This was a great show. Everyone was so entertaining and there was no boring act at all. As in, walang act talaga na hindi ka mapapasaya or ma-entertain. As in, I love how classic this is. Like, hindi talaga nila to modernize. Like, cute. Hindi nila modernize to. Like, literal, naka-tent. Everything is just so circus talaga. But yun, we're going home now and I enjoyed the show a lot. I hope you guys enjoyed the show din kahit hindi ko masyado na-videohan because I was sobrang busy ko pag-take ng photos. So, konti lang yung clips na na-videohan ko. And hindi rin pwede mag-video ng matagal or hindi mo rin pwedeng videohan yung buong show ng tuloy-tuloy. So, we have to respect that. But I hope you guys enjoyed yung mga clips na in-attach ko dito. So,